Everybody, just a quick one with crossbills. 3 younger out now. They're there. All the birds all rung up now and getting a lot bigger. Diana's gone down again. She's there. She's sitting 4 more eggs. They're due to hatch Saturday. There's a cockbird. They're all doing fine now. The old nest, the first nest. They're flying around now, going about, so there's the cock. They're all doing fine. And then my top shed, she's got 2 young and is building. I'll do another one when these hatch. The second round hatch, because these first rounds I stay in here for 5 to 6 weeks, well 6 weeks. And then I shall move them. I shall put them in here, which is an indoor flight really. Just put the light on. Oh, let's see. There we go. Just an indoor flight, spare room. So I'll do another one shortly anyway. Okay, bye.